Start by opening the device settings for the RC600 in WinDiscovery, then select Count Control Assignments and assign the LUX26 to the RC600. Open device settings for the LUX26, then select Display Properties. Click on Schedule, then click Add. Make sure to check the box for Trigger on Count. Set a time to change the colors. Assign the desired color by clicking on Set Color. Then you can choose from a list of presets or customize your own. The clock will now turn yellow at 10 seconds on a count. Click Add and select another time to change the color again. Make sure to check the box for Trigger on Count, then select a color. Confirm all changes, and let's get counting.